Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello dear students, how are you? This is teacher Ali. Today we are going to learn vector geometry. There is given a question and a diagram. Let's try to understand the question first. After that we will start our solution. The diagram is in shape of triangle P, Q and S. In the question, let's see. The question is T is the midpoint of line PS. This is line PS. T is the midpoint. You know midpoint mean? Midpoint mean middle. It means this T divide this whole line into two equal parts. So P to T they gave us it is A and TS is also A. TS is also A and R. They said R divides the line QS, this whole line QS in the ratio 1:3. 1:3. So it means Q is a whole line and QR is the 1/4, because 1:3 it means the total is 4 and QR is the 1/4 and RS. QR, let me write here, QR is the 1/4 of the line QS. Okay my dear, and RS is the 3/4 or 3/4 of QS, the whole line. Understand my dear? QR is the 1/4 of whole line QS and RS is the 3/4 of line QS. Now they said PT is A, we know this one, and PQ is B, it is given. The question is express each of the following in terms of A and B. What is our question? What is PS line? What is PS? What is QS in the term of A and B? And what is PR? Let's start solving PS first. Now we understand the question, we can solve it. What is PS? PS. PS it is in two parts, PT and TS. PS, answer. What is PS? It is equal PT plus TS plus TS. So PT is A plus TS is also A. So PS is equal A plus A, 2A. A plus A is 2A. What is our answer? PS line equal 2A. Now the second thing, what is QS? What is line QS? QS, we are going to find QS in term of B and A or A and B. So for QS we will go to QP first, then PS. QS equal QP plus PS. QP plus PS. So there is a line of vector you can indicate here. What is QP? QP, we don't, it is the opposite of line or vector PQ. PQ is B. So QP will be the opposite direction, that will be minus B. That will be minus B plus PS. Just now we found it, that is 2A. So in order you can write 2A minus B. So QS equal 2A minus B. Okay, my dear, understand? This is the second part. Now we are going to find the third part of part A. My dear, the third part is, what is PR? What is line PR? For PR, this direction, for reaching P to R, we don't have any other parallel. So we will go PQ plus QR. PR equal PQ plus QR. PQ plus PR. PQ, we know what is PQ. It is given here in the question. Even PQ is equal B. PQ is equal vector or B. So, and what is PR? QR, not PR, QR. This is QR. Because PR equal PQ plus QR. PR equal PQ plus QR. PQ plus QR. So QR, I told you here, QR is the 1/4 of QS. QR is the 1/4 or quarter of QS. What is QS, my dear? Just now before in part 2 we found QS equal 2A minus B. QS equal 2A minus B. So let's solve it. B plus 1/4, it is multiplying with 2A minus B. 1/4 is multiplying with 2A minus B. 1/4, let's multiply inside. 2A minus 1/4 multiply with B. So B plus 2 can divide or can cancel with 2. 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 multiply 1, 1 over 2A minus B, 1s are B, or 1/4 B. So this is 1B. 1B minus 1. 1/4 mean quarter. 1 minus quarter. So the remaining is 3/4 of the quarter, third part of the quarter, or 3 parts of the and the 1. 3/4 B plus 1/2A. 1/2A in order you can write 3/4 B. This is our answer, PR. This is our answer of PR. PR is equal 1/2A plus 3/4 B. Let's see, my dear, B part of the same question. Show that RT equal 1 over 4 into 2a minus 3b. We are going to show RT equal this in the form of AB or in the term of AB. So what is RT? RT is here. We have this is RT. For RT, it is equal, we know what is the PR or RP. RP will be the minus PR equal RP. So RP plus PT. RT equal RP plus PT. Let's see here. This is the left hand side equal RT. This is the left hand side. We will prove it equal 1 over 4 into 2a minus 3b. So what is RT? As I showed you, RT is RP plus PT. RP plus PT. What is RP? It is the opposite direction vector of that will be minus PR plus PT, because it is, we know what is PR. If it will be RP, it will be the negative of PR. So what is PR? We already found PR is 1 over 2a plus 3 over 4b. 1 over minus, in bracket I am going to write PR. The PR is 1 over 2a plus 3 over 4b plus, what is PT? What is PT? That is equal A. That is equal A. This is a proof, my dear. So let's multiply minus inside. When minus will multiply inside, it will change the sign, because minus is multiplying with 1 over 2a and 3 over 4b, not with a. Please try to understand. Minus 1 over 2a minus 3 over 4b plus a. So we have 1 over 2a mean half and 1 minus half, remaining half. 1 over 2a minus 3 over 4b. This is our answer, but they required the answer should be this. So we need to take common quarter. So for making this 4, mean the denominator, for making denominator 4, we will multiply up and down with 2 for making this 4, because we want to take common 1 over 4. We don't have here 1 over 4, we have 1 over 2. For making here down or mean denominator 4, we will make up and down multiply with 2. So 2 over 4a minus 3 over 4b. Okay, my dear, let's take common 1 over 4. What is remaining here? 2a minus 3b. So this is equal right hand side. This is equal right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. What is left hand side? Left hand side is RT, that is equal the right. What is right hand? 1 over 4 into 2a minus 3b. 1 over 4 into 2a minus 3b. So this is our answer. We proved. So my dear, Thank you for watching, and I will try my best to bring the more easiest way the videos, and you can learn easily and with Mr. Ali at home freely. And if you don't understand any question, or you have any question regarding my video, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.